Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best blenders under $200 that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Cleanblend Commercial Blender. Cleanblend 2001 stands strong as the editor's choice, capable of replacing 9 other kitchen appliances with its outstanding multi-purpose blending. From smoothies, cappuccinos and shakes to soups, sauces and dressings, Cleanblend can make it all. Utilizing the highest quality food-grade stainless steel coupled with an 8-blade system, chopping and slicing through chunkier foods is not hard for this blender with accuracy and immediacy. It provides you with both switches for pulse and power along with a dial that controls the speed of the blades. This blender comes packed with a maximized power of 1,800 watts and a 120V plug that pulls a quiet performance in each serving and comes backed with a 5-year warranty to last you in case of any faulty situations. This model comes with a free tamper wand for all of your mixtures. The container is made out of BPA-free plastic, a durable and reliable material that does not leak any toxins into your food while using it at any power. Some noticeable cons to this blender though are its snipping edges that tend to be sharp. Just as well, there isn't that definite a difference between the strength of the medium speed to the high speed. Nevertheless, the pros seem to outdo the cons, in this case, making this blender ideal for personal or commercial use. Moving on at number 4, we have the NutriBullet RXN 171001 blender. NutriBullet earns its title of Best Smoothie Blender under $200 on this list simply because it performs over the expected standard for other blenders in this category. Hand-free technology means that you can start the blender without the push of a button, and it will detect when your blend is smooth and lump-free for your satisfaction. Its motor can reach up to 1,700 watts for a powerful blend. It has multiple containers to choose from, varying from single serving size to family-sized amounts. The only button you have to worry about is the G button neatly located on the front of the body. This button turns the blender to soup making mode that takes only 7 minutes to complete, so that soup comes out ready to serve. The NutriBullet comes with a 2-piece lid that is vented for when you make soups with your blender. It also has its generic lid for when you wish to store your blend while traveling or when not in use. The blade component is a removable twist-on unit that can fit onto any NutriBullet product and is the key master behind the thorough extraction of nutrients from everything you blend. So from hearty soups to chilled smoothies, the NutriBullet can do it all for you. The minor downfalls for this product are that the procedure of blending is loud and it comes with an odd smell of rubber when primarily unpacked. At number 3, we have the Breville BSB 510XL Control Grip Immersion Blender. The Breville BSB 510XL is a much more compact take on blenders, perfect for someone who doesn't have much space for a countertop blender in their kitchen. It comes with a handheld blending tool, a jug, additional whisk and chopper that fits perfectly into the jug. The jug has a bell-shaped base, making for better control and navigation through the container. The handheld, ergonomic pistol-shaped control grip comes with trigger operation to set action to the blending. It has adjustable speeds for different blending cases and with an 8 inches tall immersion depth, you can even use it directly in pots or tall containers for a quick blend. It comes with a storage lid for when your blender is not currently in use. This Breville model has taken a revolutionary step, with its chopping, blending, crushing and whisking capabilities. The accessories cover many other kitchen operations, placing them all into one jug. With the extravagant applicability of this technology, this is the budget pick of this list, being exactly what the versatile tiny kitchen asked for at the end of the day. The drawback to this blender is that it takes up a lot of storage space. True, it is not meant to sit on top of the counter like typical designs, but since this one has many additional parts to it, it takes up more space to compactly store. There is also the possibility of separate components being misplaced from the rest of the body. At number 2, we have the Hamilton Beach Professional 1800W Blender. The Hamilton Beach Professional 58800 is sure to rock your kitchen with its power of 1800 watts and stainless steel blades made for excellent fine chopping of fruits and food. To better yet spice this deal up, all this power still manages to remain silent while in use. With the wide variety of speeds and specifications on the dial, you can make anything within the range of smoothies to soups with this blender. It is durable and robust enough to be machine washed regardless of its glass container. The blade motor inside of the blender body is thermal sensitive and cools down when a certain degree of overheating is detected. Measurements on the side of the glass container can ensure you get the exact required amounts in each mixture. The cap also doubles as a measuring cup so you can master precision in each recipe without any additional purchases to this blender. The only issue this blender seems to present is its lip. Thicker mixtures seem to spill out when pouring rather than follow the shape of the lip body. With such an amazing performance rate and a wide variety of capability all covered in a 5-year warranty, this blender with glass jar deserves the best commercial blender prize. And finally at number 1, we have the KitchenAid KSB1575 CB5 Speed Diamond Blender. KitchenAid is a unique blender that comes with 5 different speeds for your specific blending needs and requirements. The lid comes with a measuring cup which comes in handy for accuracy of ingredient amounts. It is BPA-free plastic, meaning you can rest assured there are no chemicals slipping into your smoothies. Rather than a dial, it comes with push-button options to control the speed and power of your blender. It comes with a pulse feature and a separate mode made specifically to crush ice for any cold beverages on the menu. To make it better, the system is capable of detecting the weight of the food inserted and modify its strength based on its measurements. This all-in-one piece is robust and easy to assemble. This blender model comes with a full 1-year warranty and if bought from the manufacturers, a 30-day return policy upon purchase if proven faulty. Warranty includes a hassle-free replacement for your blender. With only 550 watts to compete with, KitchenAid earns the title of Best Everyday Use Blender under $200 for those who find their blender is used more than once a day. The downfalls that come with this blender are that its system is quite loud while blending, which proves inconvenient. It also does not come with the option to remove the blades as they are fixed to the interior. This makes cleaning the blender cumbersome since the whole container and body has to be cleaned together as one ensemble. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.